Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel specially I upload videos related to math of class 11, 12, BCom, BC, engineering and higher class also. If you like these videos, please subscribe my channel and like and share. Okay. Now we are going to discuss a trigonometry related chapter, submultiple angle. The problem is prove that 4 sine 27 degree equal to root over of 5 plus root 5 minus root over of 3 minus root 5. Okay. As cos 27 degree plus sine 27 degree whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab equals to sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 2 sin theta cos theta means sin 2 theta. Final 2 theta means sin 54 degree. Sin 54 degree means cos 36 degree as sin 90 degree minus 36 degree means 54 degree. Sin 90 minus theta cos theta. As we know that cos 36, value of cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Therefore it will be finally 5 plus root 5 by 4. As cos 27 and sin 27 both are on first quadrant, both are positive. Therefore when we take the square root, then it will give positive result. That means cos 27 plus sin 27 equal to plus root under 5 plus root 5 by 2. Okay. Relation number 1. Similarly, we can find the value of cos 27 degree minus sin 27 degree by taking whole square. As cos a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Similarly, sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 and it will be sin 54 degree 1 minus cos 36 degree 1 minus root 5 plus 1 by 4, that means 3 minus root 5 by 4. As we know that cos 27 is greater than sin 27. Both are positive. Therefore, when we take square root, it will also give positive result. Root over of 3 minus root 5 by 2. Similarly, relation number 2. Now, subtracting these two results, 1 minus 2 gives 1 minus 2 gives 1 minus 2 gives 2 sine 27 degree equals to root over of 5 plus root 5 by 2 minus root over of 3 minus root 5 by 2. Therefore 4 sine 27 degree equal to root over of 5 plus root 5 minus root over of 3 minus root 5. Okay, very easy to solve. If any doubt arise, please comment me. I will clear your doubt. And thank you for watching this video till now. Okay.